What's up guys, I'm Aftab and welcome to 8th HTML and CSS tutorial. Today I will show you CSS we can use for text formatting tags. Actually, we can use most of the CSS property for all of our tags. This is you can say one of the advantage of CSS. So let's start writing code. First, we will write code for our heading tag. Okay, let's remove all of this and now add a class in h1. So here you can add a attribute class and give a name of the class like main heading. Guys, always try to use meaningful name for your idea class. This is the standard format actually to define meaningful name for your idea class. Also, it is a good practice, so please keep maintain this. Make or give a meaningful name of your idea class, and I will remove that text and put like in not index, it's home page. Okay, so save it. Now open your CSS file. Here we need to add our class in our CSS file, so copy this dot and paste this. So we define our CSS file. Now before writing code, I want to tell you about CSS comment system. Here you also can use comment. So CSS comment will look like this is a comment. Okay, so to add comment in your code, you just need to follow this format. /, then a star, then your comment, then a star again, and close with a /. Okay, so this is the format of your comment in CSS. This comment will be used for single line or multi-line both. So this is the way we can write comment in our CSS file. So now go back to our coding part. So I will write here a heading CSS. Now let's start with some basic CSS properties. Okay, so I will start with font size. Yes, we can use this one, colon 50 pixel. You can use PT also, but this is nowadays people using pixel. PT is kind of a old thing, old format. So apart from HTML, you can see that here in HTML attribute we use equal sign to assign value. This is our value. To assign value in our attribute, we use equal sign. So apart from HTML, here we use that colon sign to assign our value in our property. Okay, so save it, go back to your browser, hit F5, and you can see that the font size of h1 tag is changed. You can also try so you can better look or better feel. So make it 60 pixel save it and go back to your browser and hit F5. You can see that the text is actually changing, the text size is changing. So this is the font size. We can define the size of our font by using this font size property of CSS. We can use here the actually size by pixel. Also we can use some default keyword which supports in CSS, which is small. Save it, let's check it. You can see that it is too small. Okay, next one is X small. Save it. You can see that it is even more small. Also we can use XX small. You can see that it is going smaller. So this is the smallest level keyword for CSS. Then you can use medium. Save it. This is the medium size. You can use large. This is the large size. X large. This is the X large size. XX large. This is the XS large size. Okay, so apart from this, you can use your own customize by using this kind of pixels like this. So this all we can use in font size property. So okay, now let's move to the next part, which is font weight. Font weight, by using font weight property we can define the thickness of our font. Okay, so here we can use bold, bolder, lighter, or a whole number from 100 to 900. So bolder is equal to 900. You can see that nothing changed because it is already in its bolder property, and we can define here 900 also. This looks same, but if we define here 100, it will change. You can see that, yeah, it is changed to 100, and 100 is equal to the lighter property. Okay, so and the medium property is the bold, or you can, okay, so this is a medium property, you can say that. So this is actually declares the thickness of our font by using font weight property. Okay, so move on to the next one, which is font style. Okay, font style. By using font style we can define various styles like italic, oblique, and normal. In default it is showing the normal font style, which is this one is the normal. We can make it italic. Save it, and you can say that, you can see that the font is now italic. Okay, we can use oblique, which is as same as kind of italic, you can say that. So this property we can use to define our font style. And next one is the font family. Guys, I have told you about the font tag we used in our some tutorials before. We used that tag font, and there I used attribute called face. Okay, you remind that face is the equivalent of this font family. Here we can define our font family. So I will define like Lucida calligraphy. Okay, let's see what happens. Yes, you can see that our font face or the font family is changed. Okay, so by using font family property, we can change our font family. Also we can type Times New Roman. Sorry, this is also a standard font, Times New Roman. Okay, so this is the basic font properties of CSS. So please keep practicing this, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.